Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic is cheap gaming stop com legit. In this video you will get to know about the authenticity of the website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So friends, before starting our today's video, I would like to inform you that this website is operated from the United States. So let's begin by knowing what this site is offering to the customers. So it is an online shopping store that deals with PlayStations and other gaming accessories. By clicking on the menu section, you will get to know about their items. So they deal with PlayStation 5 accessories, PS5 games, Xbox game consoles, Xbox One Series, X games, Nintendo game consoles and Nintendo accessories. So these are some of their products which are available at discounts right now. Now if you want to know about their payment policy, let's scroll down below. Let's click into the payment and method option to know about their payment methods. So here you will get a detailed idea regarding their payment policy. Now if you want to know about their shipping policy, let's click into their shipping and delivery. So they have not mentioned any detail about their shipping and delivery section, which is a negative point for the website. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. But before going further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to bring many more informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on the basis of which we can judge this website as a legit or a scam. So friends, firstly, this site is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is safe and secure. Besides this, the website has been registered on 22 September 2020 and it will get expire on 22 September 2021, which means it is just few months old website and registered for a short period of time. So we cannot rely upon it. Now if you want to know about their company details, let's check their About Us section. So friends, they do not have any About Us section, which creates doubt regarding the website, because we do not find any information like their company owner name, their company details, their way of doing business, their mission, vision, nothing. Now if you want to know about their contact details, they have not given anything about their physical building address, which is a negative point. And there is no mail ID also from where you can get connected with them. But they have mentioned one phone number, that is 909-529-1789. Besides this, they have given a live chat option also. Now if you want to know about their social media presence, let's scroll down below. So though there are a lot of icons like Facebook, Pinit, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, but when you click on any of the icon, it will redirect to another link. So it creates suspicion regarding the website. Now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, let's click to their return and refund section. So they have 14 days return and refund policy, but if you face any kind of money related issue, you can mention it in the comment box. Now if you want to know about the customer reviews, friends, it has received 2.3 star in Trustpilot, and some of the reviews are like did not actually go through with a purchase because the red flags were blowing up, As other reviewers have pointed out many issues with the company's disclosures of legitimacy, I can also say that the only form of payment they accept is cash via Bitcoin. So once they have your money, it's gone. They expect to be harassed about the purchase. Scam, please don't purchase. Another one has mentioned frustrated with the website and the chat box. Another one has mentioned scam website, purchased a Pulse headset on November 27 but never got the product. I decided to cancel my order and I have sent numerous emails messages on their chat and received no response. Expensive lesson for me, don't let it be for you. So everyone has given negative feedback regarding the website. Besides this, if you want to know about the website content quality, it is also not good because there is no about us page and the details are also plagiarized like the content. So on the basis of the above discussion, it can be said that this site is highly suspicious and we will not recommend this site to anyone. Besides this, I would request all of you to do your own amount of research before investing your money in this kind of website. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thank you guys.